So one of the problems of using this regular schmegular microphone is that when you're using it to film, you don't know when the battery is low or when it's dead. There is nothing indicating that on the camera, on the microphone. And that is why I got this upgraded version. So today I'm going to find out the difference in audio as well as functionality. One of the major reasons I got it is because it promises to indicate, you can see this signs here. It will show you when it's linked, when the battery is low, and other things, which is very important. So now let's unbox. This is how it comes. It comes in this box. Ooh, it comes with this windbreaker. Ooh, I love it already. So this will show you. Oh, why is it not focus? Yeah. So this would show you the if it's linked. This would show you audio frequency. This would show you if it's mute or not, and this would this will show you battery. This would show you audio frequency. This would show you if the sound is mute, and this would show you if it's linked. So yeah, I love it. And this is where you charge it. This is the windbreaker, which you can remove and put it back. Can't I put it? Yeah, now I've put it back. And this is the power on button, and it comes in two. You can decide to remove this windbreaker and put this instead to make it look like this one, but I prefer this one. This looks more bougie. This is what you use to connect it. This one also comes with indicators here. This is what you use to connect it to your body. You slide it like this. Now it has been connected, and now you can stick it on your clothes. So now I'm going to show you how to connect this to your phone. Now the first step to connecting it is to plug this in here, and look, the light turns on, and also you get notified. Oh wait, I hope I filmed the notification. Yeah, you get notified that's okay. I hope. And you get notified that the USB has been connected to your phone. It connects immediately. So when that is done, you make sure this is turned on. This is the power on button. Remember, just click on it until it turns on like this. Yeah, I hope you're seeing it. Yep. And now we're going to put it to the test. I'm going to make a video with the microphone and without the microphone. Then we're going to put it side by side so that you can listen to it and see the difference and see if there's a difference. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bone, turning into something beautiful. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bone, turning into something beautiful. Do you know I love you so. Now that I've listened to it, I can most definitely tell the difference, and I highly recommend it. It's not bad for the price. I'll put a link to get it on Amazon and on Temu. You know me, I don't discriminate over here. If you have money for Temu, buy it on Temu. If you have money for Amazon, buy it on Amazon. But Amazon is more guaranteed than Temu. With Temu, you can get rubbish and you can get it right. It's not regulated. But with Amazon, you have to keep up with the standards. So that's why I always link the two, so you don't come for me if it doesn't work. One thing I would say about this is that I thought that this battery here would show you when your battery is low or high, but it did not do that. And that was the major reason I got it. So now I'm actually disappointed with that. I'm happy with the audio quality. I did not expect anything more or less. However, the major reason I got it is not fulfilled, so I don't know. Anyways, thank God for my Boya Lavelier mic that never ever disappoints me, ever. And if it does, I just have to switch the batteries. I don't have to charge it. I don't have to do anything. It's flexible. It's long. Yeah. So I don't know if what to do with this one now. But other than that, I like the audio. It's not more or less than what I expected, so I definitely recommend. Now over here, I make so many videos like this about AI tech, content creation, and business. If you're interested in any of this, click on this playlist here, and I will see you in any of those videos. Make sure you give me a big fat thumbs up. Click on the subscribe button. Until I come your way next time, I remain your one and only Jessica Okoli. Bye.